Once your setup is ready, the next crucial step is to build your profile or platform. This is how people find you, trust you, and hire you or buy from you. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, selling products, or teaching online, your profile or platform is your digital storefront. Let's break it down. Step by step, build your profile or platform. 1. Pick the right platform for your goal. Goal platform: freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blog, selling products, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, online teaching, the me, teachable, Skillshare, affiliate marketing, blog, YouTube, Instagram, email list. Choose one to start with. Don't spread yourself too thin. 2. Create a clean, professional profile. Here's what a good online profile should include. Freelancer profile: Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Profile photo: clear, friendly, professional. Title: simple and specific, for example, SEO, blog writer for small businesses. Description: who you are, what you do, how you help. Use keywords. Portfolio: upload past work or samples. Pricing: start competitive but don't undersell yourself. Example bio: I'm a freelance graphic designer helping startups create logos, brand kits, and social media graphics that stand out. Fast delivery, unlimited revisions. Let's build your brand. Content creator profile: YouTube, IG, TikTok, name or handle, easy to remember and brandable. Bio: tell people what kind of content you make. Profile picture and banner, use Canva to design these. Link in bio: use Linktree or a simple site to connect all your links. Example bio: simple tutorials for freelancers and side hustlers. New videos every week. Subscribe and grow with me. E-commerce store: Shopify, Etsy store. Name and logo, branded simply and clearly. Product listings: clear title, eye-catching image. Benefits: focused description. Keywords for SEO. Policies: shipping, refunds, and contact info. Trust signals: customer reviews, testimonials, or trust badges. Online teaching profile. Course title: focused on the benefit, for example, Master Photoshop in 30 days. Intro video: friendly, enthusiastic, and explains what students will learn. Curriculum: clear breakdown of lessons. Pricing: competitive with clear value. Profile: add qualifications or relevant experience. 3. Use keywords to get found. Whatever platform you're on, use relevant keywords in your title, your bio, or profile description. Your gig or course or video titles. This helps you show up in searches. 4. Add visuals and proof. Visual trust equals higher conversions. Add a profile photo or logo. Portfolio: samples, designs, writing, video snippets. Screenshots of feedback, reviews, or results. Video intros or testimonials. 5. Be authentic and clear. People buy from people they trust. Show your real face when possible. Your tone or personality that you care about solving problems, not just making money. Final tips: don't wait for perfection. Launch your profile, then improve as you go. Study successful profiles in your niche and borrow what works. Be consistent with your name, photo, and branding across platforms.